Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve rewards redemption with American Express, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve rewards redemption with American Express, start by understanding your rewards program. Familiarize yourself with the different types of points or miles you can earn. Review the terms and conditions associated with your specific card. This will help you identify the best ways to earn points based on your spending habits. Next, make sure to categorize your purchases according to category bonuses offered by American Express. Maximize your earnings in categories like dining, travel, and groceries. Regularly check for promotional events that offer bonus points for specific merchants. Once you accumulate points, explore the American Express Membership Rewards portal. This online tool allows you to see all available redemption options. Compare the value of redeeming points for travel versus cash back or gift cards. Consider transferring points to airline and hotel partners for potentially higher value. Research which partners offer the best conversion rates for your needs. Plan your travel to take advantage of off-peak times when points redemption may be lower. Keep an eye on limited-time promotions that can enhance your point value. When redeeming for travel, look for flights or hotels that offer flexible booking options. This can save you money and make the redemption process smoother. Pay attention to any fees associated with redemptions to avoid unexpected costs. Maximize your value by redeeming points for experiences rather than material goods. Participate in events or auctions offered exclusively through the rewards program. Finally, monitor your point balance regularly to ensure you're using them effectively. Staying informed about changes in the rewards program can also enhance your strategy. With these steps, you can significantly improve your rewards redemption experience with American Express. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.